There are so many fun sports that can help keep us fit and active. Maybe you like to play basketball, baseball, or tennis. Lots of sports involve a ball, and today we're going to work on our ball skills. We're going to need something for this activity. A ball. It could be something bigger like a basketball or soccer ball, or something smaller like a tennis ball or even a bouncy ball. Whatever it is, make sure it bounces. You'll also need a big container to throw a ball into. Maybe a box or a bin of some kind. If you need to, you can pause the video now and get these materials. You'll need to be in your exercise space where you have lots of room and where there's nothing breakable around. Ready? Let's work on 3 main actions: throwing, catching, and bouncing. Before we really get into it, we can warm up and get used to the ball by rolling it. Push the ball along the ground and let it go. You throw and catch a ball in sports like baseball and football. We can't really throw a ball away from us since we're on our own, so let's throw it straight up and catch it ourselves. Before we throw the ball to ourselves, let's practice throwing it into something. This is where we use our container or box. Let's try to throw the ball into the container you have. Hold the ball in your hands, push it away from you, and let it go. Yeah. When we throw to ourselves, we don't have to throw too high. Hold the ball in your hands and have the ball facing up to the sky. When you throw, you push your arms up and let go of the ball. When the ball comes back down, catch it with both hands. Let's try it once. Ready, set, throw. If you find it hard to throw and catch by yourself, you can stick with rolling or throwing into the container. Let's try throwing and catching 2 times in a row. Ready, set, throw, throw. Okay, now we'll try to do it 5 times in a row. Get ready. Okay. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice work. Now, how about bouncing? Basketball is a sport that involves bouncing the ball a lot. Let's try it with our ball. Hold the ball with both hands so it faces down toward the ground. You will gently toss it straight down so it bounces back up to you. Be ready for it. The ball should come back to you quickly. Catch it with both hands. If the ball is moving too fast, you could try it with a lighter ball like a beach ball. If the ball you're using is not bouncing high enough, you may need a stronger throw or a heavier ball. Let's try this one time. Ready, set, bounce. Good. Now let's try 2 bounces in a row. Ready, set, bounce, bounce. Okay. Now we'll try to bounce 5 times in a row. Here we go. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice bouncing. If you want, you can try bouncing the ball with just one hand. Do you think we can try throwing and catching 5 times, then bouncing 5 times? This will be your last challenge. Here we go. First, throwing. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super! Great work on your ball skills. Keep practicing your throwing, catching, and bouncing.
Hey, hey.